Hello everyone. I traced the pattern once on the folded fabric, and I put a little ribbon inside here. I'm going to sew all the way around on top of the traced line and leave this part unsewn. I sewed on top of the traced line. Now I just need to trim the excess. In this part, we're going to cut along the traced line. Pull it so it goes all the way in. Go back on the other side. Pull it again. And make a little stitch to finish it off. I'm going to use a bead. I cut the wing twice, just like it is on the pattern. I cut it out of felt. Look how beautiful it is, everyone. I'm in love, and it's super easy to make. Tell me in the comments, are you going to make this little bird, and how are you going to use it? Without the little ribbon. These ones here, look, became the pattern. Look how beautiful. Each one more beautiful than the next. If you liked this video, like, share, and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Wishing you health and peace.